How to make an Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make an Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to make an Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application. Now just in case you already have an account, you can log into one of your existing accounts, or you can tap on log into another account over here, or what you can do is just tap the option called create new account, and once you tap on create new account, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the full name that you want to use for your account, and then tap the next option. And then what you can do is simply choose to create a password. Once you create your password, your account will get created, and if you have email address and phone number, you can also try to go ahead and then add those as well. This way you should be able to make an Instagram account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.